Okay, so about a week ago, I started seeing them more on a daily basis, mainly just like a white light that would sit in a place.
You're telling me we don't know what the hell these drones are in New Jersey are? Is that correct?
That's right.
It's crazy.
Because frankly, I think the US government doesn't have any clue what they're doing. And the general public right now is starting to get more educated on drone technology over the last couple of weeks and starting to.
How do you know that something is harmless unless you know what it is and where it came from? So I think this crisis is self-inflicted.
The government knows what is happening.
Welcome back, fellow truth seekers, to another deep dive into the ever-mysterious world of UFOs, UAPs, and elusive drone footage emerging from New Jersey. But hold on to your tinfoil hats, because there's some new and unsettling intel on this front. The government has finally released an unofficial statement regarding these UAPs. But let's be real, it's not exactly reassuring. In fact, what they're saying makes the whole situation look even more terrifying. To add to the intrigue, there's a surge of disturbing videos surfacing featuring these purported drones behaving in bizarre ways. One clip shows an object emitting beams of light, and another suggests something is releasing strange chemicals into the air. The amount of clear, high-definition footage flooding in is mind-boggling. It feels like we're living in a sci-fi thriller. As many of you are already aware, the government previously claimed they had zero understanding of these supposed drones. They went on record saying things like they had no idea what was happening, but were taking it very seriously. Now, all of a sudden, they've got answers? Why didn't they come clean right from the start when these sightings began? Seems fishy, doesn't it? In their statement, they declared, the FBI has received tips of more than 5,000 reported drone sightings in the last few weeks, generating approximately 100 leads. The federal government is coordinating with state and local officials to investigate these reports. We've examined the technical data and tips from concerned citizens, and we believe the sightings to date include a combination of hobbyist drones, law enforcement drones, planes, helicopters, and even stars mistakenly reported as drones. We have not identified anything anomalous and do not assess the current activity as a national security or public safety risk in New Jersey or other northeastern states. Wait, nothing anomalous? What about that drone that crashed in New Jersey, only to mysteriously vanish without a trace? And those strange photos and videos everyone keeps posting? It's hard to believe these are just everyday drones. Sure, some may be mistaken for hobbyist models or law enforcement equipment, but others? They defy explanation and scream that there's something out of the ordinary. People are waking up and are not buying the government's narrative for a second. And get this, the FAA just imposed a ban on drone flying in 22 cities across New Jersey until January 17, 2025. If they truly believe there's nothing to worry about, why the sudden crackdown on drone activity in a significant portion of the state? Mark my words, even with this ban, the sightings will undoubtedly keep rolling in. Buckle up because the truth is out there, and it's getting weirder by the day. What exactly are they going to say it really is? The FAA claims these restrictions are for special security measures. They also warn that anyone defying these rules could face interception or detention. And let's not forget, they've even mentioned shooting down some drones and using deadly force. With all that said, let's take a closer look at some of the clearest sightings of these drones that seem to challenge their narrative. There's a recent video that has been making waves, uploaded on December 13, 2024, and it features one of the wildest sightings we've seen yet. Another intriguing video surfaces showing a UAP engaging in bizarre activity, this time from Middletown, New Jersey, right by the bay. Posted on December 12, 2024, it kicks off with a couple of bright lights and a red blinking light darting around the night sky. What happens next is astonishing. This unidentified aerial phenomenon starts shooting out red beams of light at unbelievable speeds. This UAP is already zipping around at several hundred miles per hour, but those red beams? They travel at a pace beyond comprehension. This is serious business. We're talking about real-life events happening right in front of us. With these mind-boggling UAP sightings, combined with reports of them shooting and dispensing things, there's definitely room for concern. Among all of these strange occurrences, one stands out as particularly bizarre. And of course, it hails from New Jersey. Uploaded on December 7th, someone claimed to have spotted a drone mothership at 2 a.m. I'd argue this might be one of the most compelling videos to date. Captured on camera is an enormous craft just hovering out there, shrouded in darkness and stealthy as can be. It's white and seems to take on a curved X shape. This is no ordinary plane or drone. Its ability to hover and its massive size make that clear. If you look closely, you'll even catch a dim light orb appearing and disappearing in the top right corner of the screen. What's really going on here? The implications are staggering. But is it really just a visual glitch? Speaking of orbs, let's dive into this next clip. These UAPs aren't just manifesting as strange crafts anymore. They're now showing up as otherworldly orbs. This exclusive clip just dropped on December 19th, titled Possible Orb Sighting in New Jersey. Unlike many others, this one was filmed in broad daylight, adding a layer of credibility that can't be overlooked. At night, skeptics might dismiss it as merely a star. But let's be real, stars don't shine this brightly during the day, especially not ones that look so peculiar. Zooming in, it seems like there are two orbs merged together or something bizarre like that. Even if it had been shot at night, it wouldn't hold up as a typical star. It looks like a star trying to masquerade as one or perhaps something else entirely. It's hard to put into words. The footage captures a father who's outside playing with his kids when he notices this strange light. It's unclear whether the orb is moving or if it's just the clouds shifting around it, but there's definitely something off. It's just this peculiar ball of yellowish glowing light, leaving everyone who sees it puzzled. This quick sighting happened on December 14th, 2024, and it seems like several sightings are clustering around the same dates. December 12th, 13th, and 14th are turning out to be quite the hotspot. But hang tight, we're not finished here. Next up, we've got a compilation of clips from TikTok showcasing some of the best sightings from New Jersey. We kick things off with a clip where multiple beams of light race across the distant sky. You can see three crafts, one above, one to the right, and one to the left. The sharpest footage is of the one on the left. Pausing the video reveals the UAP as a line of interconnected lights, a straight row of white orbs. Then we shift to two triangular drones darting through the night sky. They appear to be fixed-wing crafts, but definitely not your run-of-the-mill planes. Next, we have one of the standout clips. This one exploded into the limelight when all the drone buzz started going viral. But back to the latest sighting that just emerged, posted on December 6th, 2024, from New Jersey, USA. Here's the footage. An unidentified craft hurtles through the night. This is no ordinary plane. The shape is completely different, much more circular and wide. It screams UFO. It almost has a star-shaped appearance. Freezing the frame gives us a closer look at the lights. What they reveal could change everything. 7 lights flicker around the craft, highlighted by 1 or 2 prominent red blinking beacons. Online speculation runs wild. Could this be a top-secret government invention meant to remain hidden from the public eye? Or are we witnessing an extraterrestrial vessel from beyond our world? The truth, however, is still shrouded in mystery. Then there's the soon-to-be President of the United States, boldly claiming that the government is keeping secrets from us, and that they are well aware of what these drones really are. His words were striking. According to the president, not only does the military understand these sightings, but the government does too. Yet, inexplicably, they choose not to divulge this information. I believe that this statement carries weight. Many of these sightings could easily be attributed to hobbyist drones or police-operated drones. But with those bizarre-looking crafts in the sky, it makes you wonder. The anticipation surrounding these sightings is palpable. With the new drone ban in place, will we still witness these strange occurrences? Or will this halt the activity altogether? Will residents in New Jersey experience such phenomena continue in 2025? My guess leans toward no, yet I'm eager to see what unfolds. In today's video, we delved into some of the most fascinating and puzzling UAP sightings in New Jersey, which ranged from downright alarming to exceedingly bizarre. We also explored the government's direct reactions to this mounting concern, along with their increasing efforts to bolster security in response. But will we ever truly uncover the whole story, or will the truth remain buried? Rest assured, I'll keep you all in the loop. That wraps up today's deep dive. If you found this intriguing, don't hesitate to hit that like button. And please subscribe to the channel. Only 18% of viewers are subscribed. Why not aim for 80%? And make sure you ring the bell so you're alerted every time I upload new content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.